Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this photo booth photo edit on TikTok. It's trending on TikTok, but you have to do this in Snapseed and Picsart and also from your phone as well. Select smooth as the filter and select the checkmark button and export, and then I'm going to select save and select modify, and I think that's already saved to my gallery. Go to Picsart and select the photo that we just saved. Go to effects, go to black and white and select this one. Select it again and select the G one. Select apply, and you are then going to go to sticker and search print texture and select this one. Resize it to fit the whole frame and have the opacity to around 20 and select apply and save it to your gallery. Then you're going to edit it in your camera roll, so select edit. You want to lower the exposure a little bit, the brilliance, highlight, shadows, up the contrast a little bit, the black point too. Turn up the warmth, tint, and also sharpness a little bit. And then you are going to add a filter to this, which is vivid warm, and you're just going to press done. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!